Right, so moving on with the survey. So we've got basically, it's a period property, built 1900s. So first thing you need to look at, apart from the roof, obviously you need to look at the gutters and downpipes and see if they're leaking. Obviously with the weather so dry at the moment, it's just a visual inspection. They appear to be okay. So with the walls, first thing to do is measure the walls, and these are about 220. So basically with the render, etc., they're solid wall construction. One of the problems with the way period properties are finished and weatherproof is using sanded cement and rough cast render. And the problem there that you have is the fact that because it's impervious, any moisture in the wall, which would normally evaporate naturally if it was just brick or lime renders, gets sealed, and the only way the moisture can go is in through the wall and cause spalling and defects to the plasterwork internally. So really, ideally, these walls should have either been left exposed brick, or if there was any damp issues, should have had a lime render finish, which is breathable and allows moisture to move back out through the wall, which is the way these walls were intentionally built, to allow natural evaporation. So
what's the sub-vents?
Sub-vents. So these are wall sub-vents because they're too high to be subfloor vents, and this also allows some breathability. Where you get rising damp in walls where say for instance the external levels are higher than internal levels, you can get damp bridging. One of the solutions could be is to put a land drain around the edge, which reduces the moisture at the foot of the wall. So those are the main things. If you've got these are solid floors internally, but if you've got suspended timber floors, then ideally you should have subfloor vents, which allows moisture under the floor and also reduces any rot or timber infestation.